Welcome to Sky Garden London, one of the city's most breathtaking landmarks. Located at 20 Fenchurch Street, also known as the Walkie-Talkie Building, this stunning glass dome offers panoramic views, tropical greenery, and a calm escape above the busy streets below. After a quick check-in and security screen, the adventure begins. The queue moves fast, and before you know it, it's time for the lift. The lift rises quickly, just under 40 seconds to reach the 35th floor. As the doors open, light pours in, and the first thing you see is London stretching endlessly beneath you. It's an unforgettable moment, the start of a journey high above the clouds. Stepping out, you enter a huge glass atrium filled with plants, trees, and soft natural light. Everywhere you turn, the view changes: the Shard, St. Paul's Cathedral, Tower Bridge, and the River Thames winding through the heart of London. It's peaceful, yet full of life, a modern greenhouse in the sky. At this level, you'll find the Sky Pod Bar, the Darwin Brasserie, and the elegant Fenchurch restaurant. From a quick coffee to a sunset cocktail, every table comes with a view. The mix of greenery, glass, and city lights makes it one of the most beautiful dining spots in London. Step outside onto the open-air terrace. Here, the city opens up completely. You can see the Tower of London, Canary Wharf, and the river curving like silver below. It's the perfect place to take photos or simply pause and enjoy the skyline. During golden hour, the light turns warm and magical, a perfect London moment. From the terrace, take the wide staircase to the second level. As you walk through the lush greenery, every step gives you a new angle of the city. The design blends steel and nature so seamlessly that you almost forget you're inside a skyscraper. The second level feels calmer, a place to sit, relax, and watch the city through the glass. You can spot the gherkin, the cheesegrater, and the skyline stretching towards the south bank. It's peaceful and full of charm, ideal for reflection or taking in the view with a drink in hand. Continue up one final set of stairs to the top floor. This area feels calm and elegant, with soft lighting and wide glass windows overlooking the city. It isn't a full viewing deck, but you can still enjoy beautiful views towards St. Paul's Cathedral and the River Thames. It's a relaxing space to pause for a moment, take in the scenery, and reflect before heading back down. When it's time to leave, follow the signs back to the lift. There might be a short queue, but it's one last chance to admire the garden, the people, and the view. As the lift glides back down to street level, you realize you've just experienced one of London's most unforgettable places, a peaceful garden in the sky. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And see you soon on another adventure.